An artist gets inspired by many things, including beautiful scenery, sounds of nature, but also from other artists. And I came across one of my favorite artists, Hans Hoffman, works on paper in this book. And so I decided to try my own. And what happens is that by gesturing similar expressions, you start to see how another artist may have interpreted the landscape or the way they use their materials. So it was really fun for me to just try looking at some of his marks, gesturing them in my book, even some of the contrasting colors that he used, and then just finding a few that I particularly found moving and made my own compositions based on the natural setting before me, and then just even simply making new marks with black watercolor and considering how I might paint this scene.